Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to split text into columns in Google Sheets. So in the column A, I do have a first and a last name, so I do have two fields that I do want to separate. So now I do have a column B and a column C that I want to fill out with Sarah and then Johnson and then the rest of the names. So since we have Sarah Johnson right here, we have a simple formula that we're going to use. It's called split, and we want to split A2. Then you want to put in a comma, put in a quotation, then a space, then another quotation, and close the parentheses. So here we do have Sarah Johnson, and if you want to go ahead and copy down to the rest, just select and click your blue marker and it will separate all the names right here. This will work for other examples here. So right now we have Chicago, Illinois. We can go ahead and split, and then we want to do D2 space, quotation, space, quotation, close it up, and it will separate Chicago, Illinois for you. Here, since you have three topics, you want to make sure you do have three columns open, and it's going to be pretty similar with the split formula. And then with the parenthesis, and we are interested in separating G2, but now we're going to go ahead and put the parenthesis and the hyphen, because this is the value that is like separating our text, and then close it up. And now it will put it in three different columns. If this video does help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. Peace.